Immerse yourself in flowery forests, adventurous activities, and classical culture in the Tinjure, Milke, Jaljal, TMJ region. Also known as the rhododendron capital of Nepal, TMJ is famous for 29 different types of rhododendrons that enhance its trekking and mountaineering routes. Located a mere 30 minutes away from Basantapur, Tehrathum, it is an easily accessible destination that can be reached in about 15 hours from Kathmandu. During the spring season right now, TMJ is adorned with paths offering beautiful Himalayan views adorned with rhododendron flowers. Not only that, it also offers many hiking routes like the Deorali Bhulke route along with the challenging peak of Jaljal to conquer. The blooming rhododendrons, against a beautiful backdrop of sunrises and sunsets, are a spectacle to view, which have caused many tourists to flock to the area. This has even prompted the local government to ban the picking of the flowers for sustainability purposes. The nearby Pathivara temple and the traditional dance, music, and culinary delicacies make for a well-rounded cultural experience. With new tea houses in Basantapur and Chowki, a rhododendron statue, RR garden, and many more attractions, TMJ welcomes guests to enjoy their spring surrounded by natural bliss.